Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for SE, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, you have to open some area in which you can input some text. Most probably it can be message, it's the easiest way to find it, but also it can be some note, browser, whatever, just the place where you've got your keyboard displayed. So as you can see, I've got two languages here. I can switch between them smoothly by tapping on a word icon. To change the keyboard totally, just tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, then select the language that you want to apply. So let me pick, for example, Arabic. Then remove the languages that you don't want to use. Tap on bin icon, then go back, and you will have one language only applied here. Obviously, you can stay even with 5 languages if you want, then you will be able to switch between them on those previously shown icon, but this is how you can change the language. So this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.